This is the tree I saw from a distance away. Look at that. Definitely a porcupine was here. And he crawled way up there. And you can see way up there, straight up in the center. He even went that high and chewed bark off there. And then he went over here. Look, this is an old piece. That's all gray. That's a porcupine spot. And then this here, look at that. He chewed off that. The branch that goes to the side there and then goes straight up. And then this, look at that. This is all old here too. You can see the old tooth marks on it. And he crawled up here. This is fresh from this winter. And some there. And he cleaned off this branch here. Wow. That's pretty neat. He's busy. That's a great tree for him. And it's laying down. It's easy for him. Not that I've seen them climb, and they're pretty fast and good climbers, but what a great tree for the porcupine to get some of its meals off of.